How to turn on or turn off calendar time zone on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on calendar app. After click on calendar app, click on this three line icon. After click on this three line icon, click on settings icon. Now in calendar settings, scroll down and click, you will see log time zone is here. If you want to turn on calendar log time zone, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see calendar log time zone is turn on. If you want to turn off calendar log time zone, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see calendar log time zone is turn off. You will turn on or turn off calendar time zone from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off calendar log time zone on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.